Good morning, YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a super easy and fast little trick so that if you're baking and you don't have any cake flour, which I haven't had in my house in 10 years, you don't have to go run into the store, right? All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this. All right, let's see. So we are about to make a cake, and yes, I'm on my own. I'm working my own camera today because we're making a cake for Ricky's birthday, and he is still laying in the bed. So if you are baking and you don't have any cake flour, here's what you do. This is all-purpose flour, right? And the first thing we're going to do is measure an actual cup of flour. And I gotta say, scooping is not the best method. Actually, what I should be doing is using that scale right there. I'm not doing it because this is a very old-fashioned American recipe that I'm going to be making, and so this is how it would have been measured out. So I just spooned right into the cup. So that's a 1 American cup, an imperial cup measure of all-purpose flour. Now my recipe calls for cake flour, and I don't happen to have any. I haven't bought any in almost a decade, not since I learned this trick, which if you don't have cake flour, you can make this substitution. For each cup of cake flour that you're supposed to have, measure out 1 cup of all-purpose flour and remove 1 tablespoon. Okay. To that, and now all I'm doing here is I'm going to sift it. To that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now, why does this work? Well, a couple reasons. Most of which I've forgotten. Actually, cake flour is more finely milled than all-purpose flour. Cornstarch is very finely milled. So somebody smarter than I am figured out a few years ago that you could make this quick substitution, and boom, there you have it. I don't know why I yelled boom, I'm sorry. I apologize, that was obnoxious. But here you go. Now, you don't have to go run into the store to buy cake flour. You already got it in your cupboard. Boom, there you go. I gotta quit saying that. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.